Yeah.
Okay. All right. Telephone now. All right. Well,
okay, I'll leave you to it.
let me do my magic,
I
and
will.
And we'll get you some hot water.
Thank you so much, John.
All right. You're welcome.
Holler if you need anything.
Yeah.
Okay?
No, I'm good. I think.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So got a service call, and a gentleman has some rodents. And sorry about the light. Let me go ahead and fix that for you. And you can probably pick up what's wrong. So they chewed through the spark wire, and SDG&E had come out to do some routine maintenance on the house, and they had to shut the gas off, and they could not relight the pilot light after that. So I'm going to be basically just replacing the entire pilot assembly. So I brought one with me. It's a direct match, and that's kind of the fastest route rather than trying to patch that spark wire. So that's what I'm going to do. Once the gas is on or off, I think that's off. All right, check it out. Sediment trap in the right place. We love to see that. Very rare here in San Diego, but that's where it's supposed to be. So that's a good sign. That's got a pretty good view. We don't even really care about that because it's junk. So it's really important when you remove these burner assemblies that you do not rip the screen. Which they don't make it easy to do. I think we're good on that. I don't see any rips. That was pretty easy. We like that. This face one is immaculate. Sorry. Towel. Rip the screen here. It's my life. Old one is coming out. You guys can see that. Put you over here. Check it out, huh? Deep in the belly of the basement. Yes. This is a A.O.Smith Signature Select. Innovation has a name. I guess that name is A.O.Smith. Like A.O.Smith. That's a good water heater. So, they're all pretty much the same these days, water heaters. But, you know, Rheem, A.O.Smith, Bradford White. I'm told Bradford White has the best warranty, like customer support for the warranty. So you call them, there's no issues typically. Just testing the spark on this one before I bother to install it. Yeah. I seriously doubt you guys can see that, but maybe look close in the dark. Alright. Okay, so it's arcing across. That's what we like. Rheem is nice because you get Rheem from Home Depot typically, and their return policy is pretty good. And Bradford White is good, and then A.O.Smith, I've never returned an A.O.Smith. I'm not sure who sells them, probably like plumbing supply houses, I would think. Let's see here, how do I want to do this? I'm a little confused how this piping goes, so I'm going to straighten it all out. So I can make it do what I want. To the door. Sorry, I have to wear the headlamp so that I can see, but then I can't have you guys following me around. I'm wearing you on my head, so I'm gonna renegotiate your position here. But basically, the pilot assembly is in. It's screwed down. I cleaned it up at home before I came here, so I asked them to send me a picture of what the burner is. I have to be intimately involved in this step of the procedure. Okay. Perfect. That's super important. Good. I can't see real well. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh my gosh. See if I can get this side. Alright, so burner assembly, the pilot assembly has been replaced. The burner assembly is in place. Just need to reconnect the lines. And if God likes me, which I'm hoping he does, or she, that there are no issues like thermopile voltage issues or small pilot flame issues, or any of the issues that can happen. Oops. Not a lot of room. Not a lot of room down here. So when you're bending this pilot tube, you want to make long sweeping bends, or you can pinch it. So I tend to bend like a lot of it all at once. Oh yeah, thank gosh. Thank you, Lord, for that, because if this doesn't thread in, I've spent 40 minutes trying to get this one pilot tube thread in. And I forgot to clean it on my bench grinder. If you clean that up, if you have a bench grinder with a wire wheel, and you clean up the threads on either one of these, it threads it, oh, it goes in like butter. Like it's just so much, it's like night and day difference, because they get all kinds of like build up on them. It causes the threads to skip. Okay. Moment of truth here. Just barely made it on the thermopile there. Just barely made it. I think the gas, that should be off, so that should be on. And let's see how lucky I am. So it's in. Here's the old one. So a rat or a mouse or something had come down and chewed through it. And then SDG&E came out and they had to shut the gas off, and when they went to go relight the pilot light, they couldn't light it because the line was broken. So yeah, they should be paying for this as far as I'm concerned. I don't know if you guys can see in there. lit. Hopefully it's on. There we go. Oh yeah, that's what we like to see right there. So, should take about 30 seconds. I usually wait 20 seconds and then count down from 10. So let's see, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Ah, we got it at 6. Okay, so the light came on. You can see the status light. Gotta start calling it the status light. Is on. I'm gonna let it get a little more thermopile voltage by keeping it down. And we still got pilot light. Oh yeah, here we go, ignition. There you go, buddy. That's the sound of success right there. Nice warm fire. And you can hear, so this is the low NOx burner. So it actually takes the gas and dumps it down this tube and sprays it. So it's spraying it down that cylinder. So it's exposed to atmosphere, but it's under high pressure. And then it drifts down that cylinder and hovers on that screen, and then catches the pilot light, and then it I guess it produces less, you know, less of that gas. I don't know what that gas is, but so it's safer. But if those screens get a rip in it, it'll cause this feedback loop where the gas actually ignites outside of that screen, causes an explosion. The explosion then ignites the gas out here, and it starts pumping in gas that's on fire, and it just does this like crazy pulse jet feedback loop thing. All right, hopefully you enjoyed this video. We're calling this a success. And that took, I don't know, I think you were here for most of it. I turned the camera off twice, so that took, I don't know, 20, 25 minutes. And please consider subscribing. If you're not a subscriber, please give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And would really appreciate a comment. Comments help the video out a lot. And thanks again for watching. You guys have a great day. The flame is orange because you've got condensation dropping on the burner, which is normal. That should go away after about a half an hour, once the water heater reaches operating temperature. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Have a good day.